Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into the newly launched Realme GT 60, a phone that creating a quiet buzz in the tech community. Let's get into the video. Let's start with the unboxing first. Here is a black box with Realme GT branding and they mentioned AI in the top. Let's uncover the wrapper. In the back they mentioned some highlights, color and IMEI. In the top they slashed the pricing because of its review unit. Next up, open the box. Here is a slogan, make it real, and inside a SIM tool, user manual and a good set of case. Next up, the phone is here and we remove the stickers first, and the phone looks super glossy. Let's give it a first boot. Next up, a 120 watt charger and a high amp type A to type C cables. So that's all in the box. Starting with the design, the Realme GT 60 comes with a plastic back panel and a plastic side frame. It's variable in two colors, fluid silver and a razor green. The phone's weights around 191 grams and the thickness of 8.65 millimeters. Well, it's not the most premium feeling design in the segment because of the plastic build, and also picking up the fingerprint very easily. Now moving to the display, the Realme GT 60 sports a 6.78-inch 10-bit LTPO AMOLED display and a curved display with 1.5K resolution. It supports a variable refresh rate from 1Hz to 120Hz, making it perfect for everyday usage and gaming. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 to ensure the durability. One of the standout features in the display is the peak brightness. It can goes up to a whopping 6000 nits of peak brightness, which is insane, but you will need to manually enable in the settings. Overall, the display is fantastic for watching movies and playing games, thanks to the vivid colors and the high resolution display. Next, coming to the main highlight, the performance. The Realme GT 60 is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor, coupled with the Adreno 732 GPU. This combination delivers a massive performance comparing to the 8 series chipset. If you are gaming in high settings in BGMI or Genshin Impact, it can easily handle the tasks. And we achieved an impressive score around 1.5 million on Under 2 with no throttling issues. This is a significant highlight of Realme GT 60. The performance is top notch, making it a great choice for gamers and power users. The phone features a 50 megapixel main camera with OIS and an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. In the front we have a 32MP front camera. In bright light the main camera performs well, delivering a sharp and vibrant photos. In low light, the shutter speed was a bit low, even with the auto brightness mode turned off. The wide-angle camera unfortunately doesn't impress and feels quite average. In video mode, the Realme GT 60 front camera shoots 4K 30fps, which is a nice touch in the segment, and the rear camera records around 4K 30 and 60fps. The video quality is quite good for the segment. Overall, the camera setup is decent, but not groundbreaking in the segment. If photography is your main priority, this might not be the phone for you. Next up, coming to the battery life. Battery life is another strong point for Realme GT 60. It packs a 5500 mAh battery and it comes with a 120 watts charger in the box. The phone charges incredibly fast, going 0 to 100 in just 32 minutes. This is one of the fastest charging speeds in the segment. So what's the verdict here? Priced around 31,000, the Realme GT 60 offers an excellent performance and a fantastic display. If gaming and vibrant screen are your priorities, this phone is a great choice. However, if you are a camera enthusiastic, you might want to consider other options. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what do you think about the Realme GT 60. So thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.